Alright guys, so I edited the video at that point. The reason is that I started to upload and I had to do it 2 or 3 times because I had a little bit too much characters being used in this area here. So I need to ask my coder if he will put in some warnings so that we don't go over, and that can save you the same problem. So I was back and forth 2 or 3 times and it was on the video. I thought it just easier to cut it off. So what happened then was, after I had finally corrected the amount of characters allowed in here and I uploaded, it went through a manual review, so I had to wait for a few hours, and that happens sometimes, and then it was approved. So now we finally have the checklist, the new version of the checklist. You can see I've got the new favicon, I've got the new style introduction area, we've got a headline with H tags, H3 tag here, down here. Okay, this is good. Looks more professional, yeah, than what it was before. And now when I open this up, you can see we have a video. Okay, this is powerful stuff. Okay, now it's not by accident I've got this on ClickFunnels page, because if you have here this kind of headline over here, you have your video, or the ClickFunnels video that they provide for affiliates, etc., over here, and then you have all of those kind of questions that people are asking being covered in your checklist down here, like ClickFunnels prices, and then you have like take 14 days trial. You think you can make money? I think you probably can make money. Look at the search volumes in these, and look how easy it is for us to go and get rankings just with the on-page SEO stuff with no backlinks. Okay, so that's what I would suggest you start to think about using for these apps that we can now create with the videos, and the push notifications as well. Have a look at this. It sits like a little bell now. We can use this if we're using this for affiliate promotions. You can use this for scarcity. You can actually go and update in real time via the API anytime you want. It's like a push notification, it just sits there like a little bell. Okay, so you can put like last 24 hours or new bonus added or anything you want. You can really do a lot with this. Powerful stuff. This is just incredible. And we go over to look at the email list size. Now we're at 260. That's in a week, about 8 days to be honest. So we're getting over 30 every single day. 261. Okay, so if I had 10 of these apps, you can imagine how that would be. That would be like 2,000 or something if they were all performing the same way. 2,000 opt-ins in a week. This is crazy stuff, guys. Anyway, couple of things I wanted to cover extra that I want to bring your attention to, and one of those is, I'll just go and find my page that I wanted to share with you. Should have it here somewhere. Yeah. So I created like a post on the blog for the YouTube SEO checklist. Okay, and basically what I've done is I've created the template here. We will get this built in Elementor for you to be able to import into your own WordPress sites if you're using Elementor plugin, so that it looks the same. It will be exactly the same as this, and you're just going to have to change it out to suit yourself. This one is built in Thrive, but you can see this is nicely done. Okay, and you can see the format that I've done, so you can use it as a guide. Okay, if you want to do your own. Now this section down here with the FAQs and stuff, it's going to take a while for this to kick in because I'm not actually ranking for the page right now. I haven't done any backlinks at all, and so it's going to take a few days. But have a look at this. See these FAQs down here? This can show up in the search results. If I come into Google section, I type just FA schema plugin for WordPress. What you'll see up here is the normal people also ask, and you see these questions, and when you click on these, oh look at that, they're actually embedding videos now inside the people also ask. We can go for that as well. Okay, But when you see this, people also ask, you can see all these different questions. Now you can actually do that within your own site listings inside the search engines. So you can see this FAQ here. That's for this one site. If I click on show more, that's for this one site. Okay, that's done using the Rank Math plugin. Okay, there are other plugins as well. There's one called Structured Content, I think. But because I'm using Thrive, the only one I could get to work with Thrive was actually the one within Rank Math. And what you need to do there is you need to put it onto the block editor temporarily. If you're using classic editor, put it onto block editor temporarily. And when you're in your page, your WordPress page, you need to just add a block there and call it FAQ, Rank Math FAQ, and you will get FAQs that will be able to look like this once you start to rank. Okay, that gives you a lot more real estate within the search results. This is cool stuff. It's powerful stuff you're learning over the past couple of days, guys. Really powerful stuff. Okay, so you know how to use video views to rank web pages. You know how to create Chrome extensions with a video in them, with push notifications that you can build over 30 people per day. Email list, you build 10 of them, that's, you know, up to 200 people a day. All this stuff you're learning in the last couple of days is crazy stuff. Use it. You got to use it. Okay, I'll cover this later as well when I get time. I need to do a little bit of digging, but we want to be able to appear here as well. But more importantly, I want to be able to appear, my people also ask my FAQs down here, I want to appear like this. You see what I mean? Okay, if we can make that happen, then we've got something very good. So if you click on that and out comes a video, it gets more powerful, yeah? So that's what we want to do. So if you got that with a ClickFunnels review or something like that, when you got all those search volumes and you start dominating the search engines, you're going to make money, serious money. Okay, so anyway, that's everything I need to cover now. So it's gone through a manual review, so you know it's not anything black hat here, because they would not have approved it otherwise. It's just more professional looking now. We've got push notifications. The email option is not showing right now because I've already opted in when we were testing it, but anybody coming the first time will get an email opt-in before they can use the tool. All manually approved, all good. Everything is looking very good right now. So we've got more to add. We're not finished yet, not even close. Okay, we've got a huge amount more to add. Just keep an eye out on the YouTube channel, guys, for another day or two, and we will get started with the webinars probably on Thursday or Friday. I just want to do some case studies. Now that we have got this, I actually want to go and do some case studies, and I want to play around with it, and I want to play around with that FAQ thing for the actual the FAQs for the actual site as well, so that when we're doing the review posts, hopefully we can show up with those FAQs and with videos in there as well, so that we can take that strategy even further. Okay, thanks for watching.